Welcome to this tutorial on exporting responses and connecting your data to Google Sheets within WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate your WordPress site, sign in using your preferred Google account, access the feedback section, export your collected responses, and link your Jetpack account to complete the process. Let us begin from the very start. Begin by visiting your WordPress site through your web browser. Once the page loads, look toward the top right hand corner of the screen where you will see the login option. This is where your journey starts. Simply click on the login button to move to the next stage of the process, ensuring that you are on the right track to manage your account settings and access further functionalities. After clicking the login button, your next action should be to select the option that reads Continue with Google. This feature allows you to use your Google account to sign in quickly and securely. When you choose to continue with Google, a prompt appears asking you to select the appropriate account. Choosing the correct account is essential because it ensures that you are working with the intended credentials and avoids any confusion down the road. Once you are signed in through your Google account, the interface of your WordPress dashboard will present several sections. Navigate to the area dedicated to feedback responses. This specific section is designed to collect and display the input received from visitors who have engaged with your website. Accessing this section is important because it gives you an overview of the real-time responses submitted by users, and it is where you will begin the exporting process. Within the feedback display, you will notice an option to export the responses. The export button is clearly visible among the interactive elements of the page. When you click on this button, your WordPress site starts preparing the data for export. This data package typically contains all the responses you have gathered and will be formatted in a way that is compatible with spreadsheet applications. It is a practical approach for those who wish to analyze or further process the collected data. Following your click on the export button, focus on the functionality that allows you to connect your Jetpack user account. The system provides a direct option labeled with the instruction to connect your Jetpack user account. Connecting this account is an integral step because it establishes the necessary link between your WordPress site and additional services. This connectivity is what enables the seamless export of data into Google Sheets. Next, you will be asked to enter your login details to authenticate the connection with the Jetpack account. It is critical that you provide the correct information during this authentication process so that your account is linked securely and without any errors. Once your credentials are verified, your account becomes connected, and you can confidently export responses knowing that your data transfer is secure and properly managed. In conclusion, by following these steps, you are able to smoothly export your WordPress feedback responses and have them automatically connected to a Google Sheets file for easy analysis and future reference. This approach not only simplifies your workflow, but also gives you a reliable method to keep track of responses in real time. Enjoy the streamlined efficiency and enhanced data management capabilities that this integration brings to your work with WordPress.